Welcome. If you're having trouble accessing your photos and videos on Snapchat, don't worry. This is a quick fix and I'll walk you through it step by step. Sometimes Snapchat needs permission from your phone to access your media, and if that permission isn't enabled, you won't be able to send snaps or upload from your camera roll. Let's fix that right now. First, grab your phone and open the Settings app. This is where all your device permissions are controlled. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find Apps or something similar like App Management, depending on your device. Tap on it to see the full list of apps installed on your phone. Now, scroll through the list and find Snapchat. When you see it, tap on it to open the app settings. Inside Snapchat's settings page, look for an option called Permissions and tap on that. This is where you control what Snapchat can and cannot access on your device. Next, find Photos and Videos. Tap on it, and you'll see different options. To make sure Snapchat works properly, select Allow. This gives the app permission to access your media